Welcome back to the mini-series Cooking Up the Season. This series highlights on in-season foods found at local farmers markets, farm stands, and grocery stores. I am Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. Today our focus is on okra. Okra is fat-free, very low in sodium, cholesterol-free, low in calories. It's an excellent source of vitamin C and a good source of folate, magnesium, and fiber. Okra is in season in North Carolina during the months of July and August. When selecting okra, choose brightly colored but tender pods. It should be stored in the refrigerator unwashed in a perforated plastic bag for up to 3 days. Okra can be frozen for use later. To freeze okra, select young, tender okra, bring about 5 quarts of water to a rolling boil, wash and trim off the stems of the okra pods, blanch for 4 minutes. Remove the okra from the blanching bath with a slotted spoon or a blanching basket. Place in an ice bath and once cooled, place in the freezer container or a freezer bag and freeze. Okra can be prepared in many ways. It can be sautéed, roasted, boiled, fried, added to a stir fry, and one of my favorite ways is to eat it with okra and tomatoes. Here is a simple and easy recipe for roasted okra. You will need okra, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and dry your okra. Trim off the stems if you prefer, or you can leave the stem on. Place okra in a Ziploc bag or container with a lid. Add garlic powder, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Shake or mix, making sure the okra is coated with the seasonings. Place on a non-stick cookie sheet and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Bake 15 to 20 minutes and enjoy. Thank you for participating in the 9th lesson of Cooking Up the Season. For more information on okra, contact Regina Mosley at regina_mosley@ncsu.edu.